everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you one of my favorite illustrations of 2019. I know the year haven't finished yet, but this one it's going to my favorites without any doubt, since I was able to put into the paper what I had in mind. I wanted to make a watercolor illustration, so I used paint tape to make the white borders. I always loved and think they look so fancy, but I never did it, until today. I did this sketch some time ago between work and sleep, and since my video and challenge of draw this in your style that you can check on the top of this video, I wanted to draw my mermaid again. Doing something just for fun on my moleskin turned out to be, in my mind, a watercolor piece that I decided to color with real brush pens from Arteza. I knew this would be the best material to use, since I don't master watercolors and I think they are pretty hard to use, but these pens are super easy. I have been doing more videos about these pens, so don't forget to click the link on the top of this video if you want to see them, or you can just follow the link in the description box below. I just did a new folder with all my videos about it, and I'm pretty sure I will do many more. If you want to buy these materials, you can check the links also on the description box below. The ones I have are the 96 colors, and also comes with a water brush that you can see on the video, but if you don't want so many colors, there is smaller sets. The price is really reasonable and the quality, it's very good, so I really advise you to try these pens. The technique I used most of the time was dipping the tip into the water, as I showed in the beginning of the video. I decided to use also a not so granulated paper as Arteza sent me, and I absolutely love how everything blended. The colors as always turned out super bright and colorful, and I pretty much used all the blues from the set of the 96 colors. Sorry if the lights and the recordings are not very similar to each other. I tried my best with the edit, but I took around 5 or 6 days to finish this piece, since I had to use little bits every day, but it was really fun. I wanted to take the time I wanted and not rush anything, so that's also why I took so long. The Arteza brush pens have very slim tips, so makes the detailing even better. I tried to put some recordings of another angle, just to show you a bit how I use the water brush with the brush pens. I think you can understand. This illustration was, without any doubt, a challenge, but also very cool and enjoyable for me. If you are interested in other videos of myself using real brush pens, don't forget to click on the cards that are going to also appear in this video on the top. My last video was coloring a different color scheme, and that was so cool and nice to experiment. Don't forget also to check my other videos, and also don't forget to click that button to subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Also, I would like to add to my schedule a video every Wednesday. That would be to draw fan arts Do you have any idea of characters that would go nice with my style? Let me know in the comments below if you have a character you would like to see from me. Using these real brush pens made me also use other colors as liners. I use my mechanical pencil as guidance, and then I use the blue pen. I didn't want to make the drawing very strong lines, but making it a bit more dreamy and very much fantasy-like. So that's what you are going to see after everything is colored. I did a background super watercolory, and I was just experimenting with the water, since like I said, doing this with the watercolors are pretty much difficult for me, but with these pens it's like magic. My favorite part was, as always, the white ink. This time I tried a different brand. I went to an art store and they told me this would be opaque. But after using it, I don't think it was the best option because it was not that much opaque. At least the opaque I wanted. I think I should buy other kinds of white ink. I know that there is some pens that are very good, but I think I need to search a bit more. Do you have any ideas of the ones I should try? I also use the technique that you can use with the toothbrush, but I ended up doing white dots everywhere on the drawing, but also on my desk. You don't see much, but you probably will see that the pen's got white ink all over. You don't see the desk because the desk is also white. Then comes also one of the best parts. When I peeled the tape, it was such a nice feeling, but so challenging too, because I can ruin everything in a bit, but I tried very slowly to do it. It's so addicting. So I had to put it on my video. And that's it. I did some more detailing and a bit more white ink, and this was the result. Hope you enjoyed this long video and let me know what you think of the result of this drawing. I hope to see you on my next one. Bye bye!